Hey dolls, welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the Doll Squad. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick look using a few products. We got the Face and Eye palette, the hydrogel lipsticks, and just stay tuned for this video if you want to see how I got this look. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is start off with foundation. I am of course using Doll Skin. This is great for these upcoming hot summer months. One thing I hate is having a really thick foundation when it's humid out. It just feels like too much on the skin. It's too heavy, so Doll Skin is great. It has 10 skin-loving ingredients that are really going to be good for your skin, and also it's going to feel like a second skin, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. You only really need a pump or two. No more than that. A little goes a long way with this stuff. So I'm just going to dot it where I think I need it the most. I'm going to stay away from the center of my face because I'm going to highlight that with concealer, so you don't need to layer your skin with a bunch of product. Make sure you get the neck. And I'm just going to be using my Doll 10 number 9 brush. This is a great kabuki brush that is awesome for blending in doll skin, and it just gives you a really nice airbrushed look. Now I'm going in with my Light Finish Correct and Perfect concealer in the shade medium, and I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, get a little in the crease of the nose, just to really add a nice bright under eye. It's gonna make me look more awake and just overall brighten up my look. And I'm also gonna get my chin and the top of my forehead. So now that we have our base, I always say we like to add some warmth and dimension back into the face. So we're using our Micro Pixel bronzer. I'm going to just apply it to the forehead, kind of get the cheeks, some light contour going, nothing too heavy. On across the nose, just to give you that sun-kissed look. Now onto the fun stuff. I'm going to be taking the Face and Eye palette, and this is what we are going to use for our look today. So I'm going to be taking the blush right here. This is Bad Gal. So I'm just going to be taking a blush brush and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. And I like to hit the tip of my nose as well, just so it kind of looks like the sun hit the top of my face, and a little bit on my chin. Now onto my favorite part of this look, it's going to be the highlight. I like using this highlight, Oh She Glows. It's one of my favorite highlights. It's like a champagne-y gold color, and I'm just going to take a small highlight brush. I'm going to hit the high parts of my cheekbones, raise it up to the temple a little bit, do the other side. The nose, the bridge of the nose, and the cupid's bow. Alright, now that we have that, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. And I'm going to be going into this palette, and I'm going to be taking the pink shade right there, and I'm just going to apply it all over the lid as a nice base color. Alright, so now that I got my first lid color on, I'm going to go back in Oh She Glows, and I really want to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone just to add some nice sheen and give you that really nice glowy doe-eyed look. And now I'm going to be taking the shade Sexy, and I'm just going to do the windshield wiper motions. I'm big on the windshield wiper motions because it's easy to blend. It gives you an even distribution of the shadow, so that's one technique that I always use. I'm also going to take the color Sexy and apply it to my lower lash line just to kind of smoke it out and make the whole look come together. So now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm not going to do eyeliner today. I just kind of want to keep it simple and fresh. So I'm going to go in with my favorite Effort Lash Mascara. I'm going to quick apply it and then I'll show you what's next. So now I just went in with my Hydrogel lipstick in Girl Boss. I love this color. It's a really pretty nude rose shade. The Hydrogel lipsticks are made with squalene, which is from olive, so it gives you that great moisture and just smooth feeling on the lips, but it also gives you the color of a true lipstick. So these are one of my favorites. I love them for the spring. Highly recommend this. And yeah, so this is the completed look. I hope you dolls enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, dolls.